All right, what's up, y'all? My name is Theo. My Web 2.0 tool is gonna be Instagram today. So I'm gonna start off with the profile. So once you create your account, I'm gonna walk y'all through that later on in the video. So this is how your account should pretty much look like. Know what I mean? Got the pictures you posted from before. Dot dot dot. You could like tag people. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how to do all that. So, it's your profile, it's your home page. Normally you just scroll through. Normally shows people you follow most of the time, or like viral stuff going on the internet. That was the Jake Paul video, boxing video. uh, Jello. Okay, so you in the explore page. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah. Let's see. Let's see right here. Okay. So it just shows you a lot of different stuff. You know what I mean? Um, right here shows the messages. I'm not gonna be there too long. Messages, and then your notifications, like people who followed you or accepted your follow requests, or people who liked your account, or your posts. This is where you can search people up. And right here, this is where you can like make new posts. For example, I don't really have any pictures on my computer. Let's see if I can find any. So you come up here. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, let's say I wanted to post this. This is how it will be. Right here, you could. This is a crop setting, so you can move it around, or you could decide to add more pictures, like so, right there. Let's say I wanted to add Dora. Boom. You know what I mean? Well, this is a computer, so it's a little tricky, but y'all get the gist of it. So I hit next, and here you could just add any filter to the picture you have, however you like it to be. And you can do it for the different pictures you have. You hit next, boom. Here you could tag people or tag anything. Let's say I wanted to tag my friend's Instagram. You just put at, let's say my brother, one of my friends, YBA Talal, boom. He's tagged there. Let's say I wanted to tag like, I guess, food or any, like, HCU. That's how you really do it on the computer though. And I wanted to add a caption. Cool. Add a location. You could literally type in any location. HBU. Hit share. This is actually my main Instagram, so I'm gonna have to go delete that real quick. So as you can see, it's been posted, right? Yeah, this is supposed to be okay. But if I go to my account, this shows a previous picture I just posted. I could click on it. If you go into anybody's account, you could like right here. You could comment, oh, cool, you know, oh, whoa. You could share this to other people. Say I share it to this person right here. Or you can even bookmark it. Now, if you want to delete this, you see up here, these three buttons at the top right, the three dots, you click on it. You could even edit this if you want to, to change the caption, this or that. But for right now, we want to delete this. We don't want people seeing this right now. Delete, and see it's off your post. You can even click right here. It shows you all the stuff you've saved. Um, yeah, that's really the gist of Instagram. If you want to create your account, I'm gonna I'm gonna hit switch accounts. Oh no, I gotta log out. So I'm gonna log out right here. Sign up. You hit sign up. Oh, it's my phone. Let's just say Alex username Alex _0_0_1. I'm just trying to create something random so it doesn't tell me to do it again. Password Alex _0_0_1. Full name Alex D. Now it's making you phone number. I already have my Instagram connected to my phone number. Let's see if it pops up right here. This is a bad idea showing my phone number, but I'm not tripping. So that worked. So if you hit this button right here, it could just give you a random username. As you can see, I guess the one I had was already chosen. So Alex D4898, password Alex _0_0_1. And you hit sign up. I normally don't save my passwords. Birthday. Let's just put a fake birthday. February 10th. Let's say 2000. You hit next. So it's gonna send me a 6-digit code to my phone number. 170246. This is just for like extra security, you know what I mean? But like I said before, it doesn't take long. It's only been like a minute doing this, you know? And so boom, your account. You know what I mean? It's already giving you people suggested to follow. And it's literally as easy as click and follow. Follow Kylie Jenner, you follow Ronaldo, you follow Messi, Selena Gomez, Nat Geo, Dwayne. Let's see what else. Let's just make a post. Oh yeah, also to view people's stories, let's just go back to my account. So you see the extra security stuff once again. You just put it in. So like for example, just click. That's literally how you view the stories. This right here shows February dump. If you want to like a story, for example, all you gotta do is just literally click on the like. You know what I mean? If you want to comment, let's see. I don't want to comment on anything random. Those shit still gotta go crazy. I just you like literally you can just say like, okay, this is gonna be random to her, but underneath the story you just hit. You can just type in whatever response you want and hit enter, and boom, it's sent. So like she knows you're responding to that specific story, and that's really how you watch the stories. You create the account, make a new post. If you want to like a post, like I showed you earlier, like you could share this with this button, comment with this button. You could save to your account with this button. These are reels, so these are more like videos more so than pictures. You can see right here, this button right here mutes and unmutes. See right here. We're gonna mute this, mute that, explore. Like my explore page really shows anything Those are some nice looking braids. Yeah, and that's yikes. And that's pretty much it. Thank y'all.